What is up, everyone? Hell yeah. Fingers crossed I don't got a flat tire. Just rode over a pile of glass. Nighttime knobby rip. I'm going to do the old... I gotta go to Freshco tonight, so I'm doing the old way I would have taken with the e-bike. Bring back some e-bike memories. The exact way. Now, there's actually two ways I would go to Freshco. It all depends on how many times I've gone to Freshco that week after work, so... Whee! The Navi. So, I don't know if this video will be for members or it'll be for everyone, but just to let everyone know, I have changed the membership money. For some reason, I don't know when I started it. I did it for $2.99, but now I've changed it to 99 cents for full access. But if you do pick the $2.99 one, you get the same thing other than shoutouts and videos. And that's just a little bit of extra support. But I said, hey, yeah, why not? I'll change it, lower it, so anyone can view the videos for 99 cents a month. Only if you want. I do post videos. This is what this video could be. I at least post minimum one video a week. Sometimes 2, 3. I'm probably going to do a little bit more videos, maybe some, I don't know. Oh, jump off. Oh, she is chilly out tonight. Whoa. Oh, I think the handlebar mitts has got to go on this bike here. Oh, that's for sure. Oh, ripping the Honda Navi through the bike tunnel. I've had my big bike through here, the Honda VTX 1300. Yes. Oh yeah. I was thinking about taking that way, but I just want to get there. Brr. Oh, Tipsy and I were talking the other day. Let him take this for a ride around the block during his lunchtime. And he has the same theory as I do. The bike feels so much faster than the VTX, or his big bike. And the big bike would feel so much slower. So the big bike, you look down, you're doing 60, it feels like you're doing like 20. This bike, you're doing 60, it feels like you're doing 120. So that's why I like it. You do 60 on these little side roads like I'm doing now, and it feels like I'm literally doing like 100 down this road. I love it. Oh, the Navi's such a good little ripper. Ripper for the ripper. Ripper for the stripper. Good stopping distance too, not too bad. Whoa! Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, that made me tired. Oh, God. Oh. E-biker coming through, watch out. E-biker coming through. Yeah, not at full speed. Jeepers creepers. Oh, why am I so tired today, guys? Oh, yeah, that doesn't make sense. Yeah, this is probably just a short little video that I'll upload for the members. Why not? Yeah. So, the members will learn about the member pricing before I know. No, before anyone else knows. My whole helmet, face mask is completely fogged up, other than my face. It's too hard to explain. If you know, you know. Oh, I got a pin insert. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. There we go. Kinda. Hey, I couldn't have got followed across like this with the VTXs quickly. Did I feel a raindrop, or is that my eyes watering from crying? Not crying. Oh, it's a raindrop. Fuck, guys. I'm gonna come out and the bike's gonna be fucking soaked. I don't know if I was... Okay. On the road again. Na na na. Oh, gonna get home before it rains out, so yeah. It's raining now, but I should be home before it gets too wet till I get wet. So yeah, guys. Nah. I'm going home, yeah. Have a great night, guys. Stay tipsy, stay tripping. And it doesn't matter what keeps you riding. Just stay riding or doing whatever you love. Hell yeah, cheers, y'all.